Hello friends, welcome to Shilpa's Home Decor Idea. So today I will show you bathroom plant decoration idea. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to our channel then don't forget to subscribe it. Indoor plants are beneficial in so many ways. Not only they are a lovely visual addition to a space, creating softness and adding a color, but they also perform the dirty labor of cleaning toxins from the air. Green bathroom decorating is fun. Growing plants that beautifully decorate home interior is a wonderful hobby. Indoor plants are a nice way to add a splash of a fresh color to modern bathroom decorating and create natural and eco-friendly decor. They also spruce up modern bathroom interiors and add charming accent to small rooms. Using indoor plants as a decorative accent is easy and pleasant as they create comfortable and calming atmosphere. Choose proper indoor plants for your bathroom interiors and place them on the right spot to enjoy spectacular bathroom decor and fresh look. Indoor plants require sufficient light to stay healthy in the bathroom interiors. Little natural light can be enhanced by energy saving electric bulbs or placing your indoor plants close to the bathroom window. Most indoor plants used for interior decorating are tropical plants. Select indoor plants that naturally grow in moist environments with little light. These tropical plants are very decorative, featuring lush green leaves that do not require lot of sunlight. Decorative indoor plants are low maintenance, charming and colorful accessories for your bathrooms. They are perfect even for those who do not have time to grow tender plants that are sensitive to humidity. Indoor plants that like humid atmosphere are the best for eco-friendly and modern bathroom decorating. Hanging baskets and vertical gardens designs are a great choice that add contemporary and modern bathroom designs and spruce up bathroom decorating ideas. House plants can be arranged around your bathtub and feature on the top of your bathroom vanity. Vertical garden designs are creative and space-saving solutions that allow to design spectacular display with small house plants. Growing house plants and decorating with them in a simple and effective. Beautiful pots and greenery add charming elegance to modern bathroom decorating ideas. To benefit from the element of nature, you need to surround yourself with plants. To create the ultimate spa sensation, dedicated a whole shelf to pots positioned close to your bath so you can take it all in while you bath. Placing plants with a view of mirror can go a long way to boost the visual effects. Beneath a mirror will create a beautiful meadow effect that will make you feel you are looking out of a window. Orchid flower plants love nothing more than humidity as they would experience in their natural tropical habitat. A single elegant stem in a decorative pot is sometimes all a bathroom needs. Sometimes less is more. You don't have to offer a rainforest to get a look for your bathroom, especially if minimum is your preferred style. A simple suitable potted plant on a shelf is all you need to welcome the trend in your house. If you are low on vanity or floor space, consider installing a floating bathroom shelves to show off your few houseplants. If you have a large bathroom that never feels quite finished, a large floor plants can be a great addition. A large potted plant not only creates a focal point for your room but also help you feel unused space in a fresh modern way. This upgraded bathroom uses both standing and hanging plants to create a jungle-like feel. If you are short on floor or shelf space, hanging a few plants basket from the ceiling is a great way to add a little bit of greenery without sacrificing previous real estate. Plants are a great way to better bathrooms in all manners of imaginative ways. The green foliage can enhance bathroom color schemes, adding an accent color without decorating, as well as welcoming an uplifting mood thanks to the elements of nature being present indoors. While all bathroom plants will be similar with the fondness of moisture, not all will be need light in the same measure. Some varieties of plants does not need direct sunlight. Delicate window sills to those plants that need the light more. Be sure to read the care instruction on your chosen plant before deciding on positioning within the room. What's better than low maintenance plants? Low maintenance plants that basically water themselves is the perfect showcase for your bathroom plants and give you something to look at while you are waiting for that deep conditioner to do its job. If you don't want to install shelves, try placing a few potted plants on the corner of your tub. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest video update.